Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till in without skipping it. And a request: if you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share, subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from discoveries and inventions. Question number 1. Electron was discovered in the year 1897 by option 1 A. Edison, option 2 Nikola Tesla, option 3 J.J. Thomson, option 4 Isaac Newton. The answer is option 3 J.J. Thomson. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897 through his experiment with cathode rays, providing the existence of negatively charged particles in atoms. Question number 2. Who invented the atomic battery in 1912? Option 1 Alessandro Volta, option 2 Henry Moseley, option 3 Benjamin Franklin, option 4 Louis Pasteur. The answer is option 2 Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley is credited with early development of the atomic battery concept in 1912 through modern atomic batteries evolved later. In 1912, though modern atomic batteries evolved later. Question number 3. Who among the following coined the term battery to describe linked capacitors? Option 1 Benjamin Franklin, option 2 Luigi Galvani, option 3 John Frederick Daniel, option 4 Louis Urey. The answer is option 1 Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin first used the term battery in the 18th century to describe multiple capacitors connected in series. Question number 4. Who among the following scientists invented Kevlar? Option 1 Mary Anderson, option 2 George Eastman, option 3 Stephanie Louis Kolek, option 2 Steve Wozniak. The answer is option 3 Stephanie Louis Volek. Kevlar was invented by Stephanie Volek in 1965. It is a high strength material used in bulletproof vests and other applications. Question number 5. Who found an empirical relationship between the half-life of alpha decay and the energy of the emitted alpha particles in 1911? Option 1 Fermi and Meitner, option 2 Geiger and Nuttall, option 3 Chadwick and Lawrence, option 4 Soddy and Ashton. The answer is option 2 Geiger and Nuttall. The Geiger-Nuttall law relates the decay constant alpha emitters to the energy of emitted particles discovered in 1911. Question number 6. In 1845, which German scientist published a method for the synthesis of acetic acid? Option 1 Friedrich Wöhler, option 2 Marcelin Berthelot, option 3 Joseph Gay-Lussac, option 4 Hermann Kolbe. The answer is option 4 Hermann Kolbe. Hermann Kolbe synthesized acetic acid from inorganic compounds, marking an early advancement in organic chemistry. Question number 7. Botanical Survey of India discovered Gladovia coniacianorum in honor of which community? Option 1 Toda, option 2 Nagas, option 3 Gado, option 4 Tobu. The answer is option 2 Nagas. The plant was named to honor the Naga community where the species was discovered. Question number 8. Hanuman kind's oldest mammal ancestor Duristotherium nevmani was discovered in option 1 West Indies, option 2 India, option 3 United Kingdom, option 4 China. The answer is option 3 United Kingdom. The fossil was found in the UK and is believed to be among the early known mammal ancestors. Question number 9. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Option 1 lactometer, option 2 thermometer, option 3 sphygmomanometer, option 4 glucometer. The answer is option 3 sphygmomanometer. A sphygmomanometer is used to measure blood pressure accurately using a cuff and pressure gauge. Question number 10. Which instrument is used for the visual examination of the eardrum? Option 1 phonograph, option 2 polygraph, option 3 otoscope, option 4 optometer. The answer is option 3 otoscope. An otoscope is a medical device used to examine the ear canal and eardrum. Question number 11. Who among the following discovered the circulation of blood? Option 1 William Harvey, option 2 Florence Rena Sabine, option 3 Ernest Henrik Weber, option 4 Van Leeuwenhoek. The answer is option 1 William Harvey. William Harvey was the first to accurately describe how blood circulates through the body in 1628. Question number 12. The study of ancient plants like mosses is called. Option 1 ethnobotany, option 2 bryology, option 3 palynology, option 4 dendrology. The answer is option 2 bryology. Bryology is a branch of botany that deals with mosses, liverworts and hornworts. Question number 13. Chiropody is a branch of science related to which part of the body? Option 1 lungs, option 2 kidney, option 3 feet, option 4 liver. The answer is option 3 feet. Chiropody, a podiatry focuses on the study and treatment of foot disorders. Question number 14. Who among the following scientists invented the cotton gin? Option 1 Sonny Perdue, option 2 Norman Borlaug, option 3 Eli Whitney, option 4 George Washington Carver. The answer is option 3 Eli Whitney. Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin in 1793, revolutionizing cotton processing. Question number 15. The scientific study of a cell is called option 1 taxonomy, option 2 physiology, option 3 histology, option 4 cytology. The answer is option 4 cytology. Cytology is the branch of biology that deals with the structure and function of plant and animal cells. Question number 16. Who discovered cells in the human body? Option 1 Charles Darwin, option 2 Robert Hooke, option 3 Herbert Spencer, option 4 Albert Einstein. The answer is Robert Hooke. Option 2. Robert Hooke observed cork cells under a microscope in 1665 and coined the term cells. Question number 17. Christian Barnard is famous for option 1 performing the world's first human heart transplant, option 2 cloning the first mammal, option 3 publishing tables of logarithms, option 4 delivering the first test tube baby. The answer is option 1 performing the world's first human heart transplant. Dr. Christian Barnard performed the first human heart transplant in 1967 in South Africa. Question number 18. Breeding of fish is specially constructed in specially constructed tanks is called option 1 pisciculture, option 2 agriculture, option 3 viticulture, option 4 horticulture. The answer is option 1 pisciculture. Pisciculture is the breeding and rearing of fish in controlled environments like tanks or ponds. Question number 19. Viticulture refers to the option 1 breeding of fish, option 2 commercial rearing of silkworms, option 3 growing of vegetables, option 4 cultivation of grapes. The answer is option 4 cultivation of grapes. Viticulture is the study and cultivation of grape vines mainly for wine making. Question number 20. The scientific study of birds is called option 1 ornithology, option 2 pomology, option 3 ichthyology, option 4 gerontology. The answer is option 1 ornithology. Ornithology is the branch of zoology that deals with the study of birds. Question number 21. Which of the following techniques can be used to separate impurities in milk? Option 1 column chromatography, option 2 microscopy, option 3 microtomy, option 4 autoclave. The answer is option 1 column chromatography. Column chromatography can be used in labs to separate components in mixtures like milk for purity analysis. Question number. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe GK for GC. Please like, share and subscribe.